San Jose, located in the heart of Costa Rica, is a vibrant and bustling city offering a unique combination of rich history, stunning scenery, and exciting tourism opportunities. As the capital and largest city of Costa Rica, San Jose serves as the cultural, political, and economic center of the country. San Jose boasts a diverse landscape ranging from lush rainforests to majestic mountains. The city is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers and adventurers. From hiking through forests to exploring volcanic national parks, there are endless opportunities to immerse yourself in the stunning scenery surrounding San Jose. For those planning a visit to San Jose, it is important to note that while the city offers countless attractions and activities for tourists, like any major urban center, it also has its share of challenges, such as traffic congestion. In conclusion, a visit to San Jose promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality. It is definitely a place worth visiting for anyone planning a trip to Costa Rica.